Tired of manually transferring data between your Google Sheets and WhatsApp? Let's ditch the copy-pasting and unlock the power of automated communication by integrating Google Sheets with the WhatsApp API using Aisensy. First, head over to the Aisensy website and log into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the integration section, find the Google Sheets integration and click on Connect. You'll be prompted to authenticate your Google account. Select the account associated with the Google Sheet you want to integrate. Google will ask for permission to allow Aisensy to access your sheets. Grant the necessary permissions to proceed. Don't worry, Aisensy only accesses the data you specify. Now, in Aisensy, select the specific Google Sheet you want to connect to. Next, choose the specific worksheet within that sheet that contains the data you want to use for your WhatsApp automation. The crucial step: data mapping. Match the columns in your Google Sheet to the corresponding parameters in your WhatsApp messages, like phone number, name, or any other personalized information. This tells Aisensy where to find the data it needs. Once you've mapped your fields, you can preview how your WhatsApp messages will look with the data pulled from your Google Sheet. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Sheets with the WhatsApp API using Aisensy. Now you can automate your WhatsApp messaging, manage contact lists, and send personalized messages directly from your spreadsheet. Start automating your WhatsApp messages today.